Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 11. Thank you for finishing your exam number 2. Some of you still have yet to finish, but of course you have till Sunday at midnight, so be sure to finish before then. Pretty easy chapter 11, so review the material, talk about ethics. It's really important related to law. So take a look at that. And then also during this time, prepare for your final exam. Technically, the next week is also preparation for your final exam, but your final exam is due 8/19. So you don't really have a lot of time in the last week. You only have really a day or so to finish that exam. So you want to be sure to get that done as soon as possible. So final exam is due on 8/19. So next week is really our preparation week, and then the week after that, I'll open, and you'll have a few days to prepare, and then you'll need to take the final exam. So I was just checking my calendar just to make sure I was correct with the date, and I am. So you have Chapter 11 review questions that are due, of course, this week. Otherwise, there's no lecture. Relax, take the final exam, review the chapter, have an open book review session when you're doing your review questions, and then you should be good to go. I will post a final exam review at some point this week that you can look at, hopefully tomorrow. So if you need anything in the meantime, please reach out. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thanks for all the hard work.